TurboTenant is one of the most talked about property management tools out there, but is it right for you? In this video, we'll cover the 12 things you need to know before buying TurboTenant, and we'll also compare it to other options to help you decide if it's the best fit for your property management needs. First, let's talk about the pricing. TurboTenant offers a free version, which is great for landlords with a smaller portfolio or just starting out. However, compared to other property management software like Rentec Direct, the free version might lack some advanced features that more experienced property managers might need. Next thing to know is that TurboTenant makes tenant applications and screening really easy. You can send rental applications directly to prospects, and they can fill it out online. It even includes credit and background checks, which is a huge time saver. But, in terms of screening, other software like AppFolio may provide more in-depth options. The third thing is lease tracking. With TurboTenant, you can easily track your leases, which is especially helpful for managing multiple properties. However, it lacks some of the reporting features that platforms like Buildium offer, which could be a deal breaker for larger property managers who rely heavily on detailed reports. The fourth thing you need to know is that TurboTenant offers online payment options. Tenants can pay rent directly through the platform, which is convenient for both landlords and tenants. But TurboTenant charges a fee for processing payments, which is something to consider when comparing it to fully integrated options like Rentec Direct, where payment processing fees can be lower. Next thing, TurboTenant offers an excellent dashboard that's easy to navigate. It's clean and intuitive, making it a great option for landlords who don't want to deal with complex interfaces. However, while it's simple, if you're managing a large portfolio, other tools like Propertyware might offer more customization. The sixth thing is its integration with marketing tools. TurboTenant allows you to list your properties on major rental sites like Zillow and Apartments.com for free, which is a huge advantage over platforms like Cozy that have limited listing options. However, if you're looking for advanced marketing features like customizable listing pages, you'll want to consider alternatives like Rentec Direct. The seventh thing is that TurboTenant's mobile app works well for managing your properties on the go. You can handle everything from collecting rent to sending messages to tenants. However, it's not as feature-rich as the apps from other competitors like AppFolio, which may be more ideal if you need more functionality from your mobile experience. Next, let's talk about customer support. TurboTenant offers good customer service through live chat and email support. However, if you need 24/7 support or more hands-on assistance, platforms like Buildium may offer a more robust support system, including phone support. The ninth thing to know is about document storage. TurboTenant provides cloud storage for your documents, like leases and maintenance records, so everything is in one place. However, for businesses that require advanced document management, software like Rentec Direct might be more suitable with its extra features like document tagging. The 10th thing is that TurboTenant provides easy rent tracking, allowing landlords to track payments and send automatic reminders. However, if you need more in-depth financial reports or automated bookkeeping, a solution like AppFolio could be more beneficial. Next thing, TurboTenant allows for easy maintenance tracking. Tenants can submit maintenance requests, and you can manage them directly within the platform. While it's functional, it doesn't have the advanced maintenance management system offered by competitors like Propertyware, which is better for larger, more complex property portfolios. The 12th and final thing is TurboTenant's tenant and landlord communication tools. The platform includes messaging features that allow you to communicate directly with tenants. However, if you require advanced communication tools like automated reminders and notifications, other software like Buildium offers more robust solutions. In conclusion, TurboTenant is a solid property management option for landlords with a smaller to mid-size portfolio, especially if you're looking for something simple and affordable. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with more advanced features, check out our recommended alternative, which you can try for free.